Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Samsung Galaxy F22. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices. Then click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now click on I accept, confirm, continue and finally allow. Then choose receive on Samsung and send on Nokia. Now click on all of those dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo, choose send and click got it. Over here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on the scanning icon here, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure by going into Samsung folder, clicking on My Files and tapping on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!